Looking for the best scissor jacks? In this video, we've selected the top scissor jacks for safe and easy vehicle lifting during tire changes and roadside emergencies. These reliable tools offer strong lifting power, stability, and compact portability for every car owner. Starting at number 1. E-HEELP 3-ton electric car jack. The E-HEELP 3-ton electric car jack is a powerful and convenient automotive tool designed to make tire changes and vehicle maintenance faster and easier. Powered by a 12-volt system, this automatic scissor lift jack offers a lifting range of 4.72 to 14.57 inches, making it suitable for sedans and other compatible vehicles. With an impressive 3-ton, 6,600 pounds load capacity, it provides reliable lifting strength for emergency roadside situations or garage repairs. The kit also includes an electric impact wrench for quick lug nut removal and installation, enhancing efficiency during tire changes. Built for convenience and safety, the E-HEELP electric car jack features easy operation, sturdy construction, and a compact design for convenient storage in your vehicle. Number 2. BestEquip electric car jack. The BestEquip electric car jack 3-ton is a reliable and efficient car repair tool designed to simplify tire changes and vehicle maintenance for sedans and trucks. Powered by a 12-volt DC system, this electric scissor jack offers quick and effortless lifting with a strong 3-ton, 6,600 pounds load capacity, making it suitable for a variety of vehicles. The kit includes an electric impact wrench for fast lug nut removal and tightening, helping reduce manual effort during roadside emergencies or garage repairs. Built with durable materials and easy-to-use controls, the BestEquip electric car jack provides convenience, stability, and dependable performance, while its compact design allows for easy storage in your vehicle trunk. Number 3. VIVOHOME 1100-pound scissor jack. The VIVOHOME 1100 lbs motorcycle lift scissor jack is a durable and heavy-duty lifting solution designed for motorcycle maintenance, repairs, and storage. Built with a sturdy steel frame, this scissor jack features a wide deck platform that provides enhanced stability and support for cruisers, dirt bikes, and ATVs. With an impressive 1,100 pounds weight capacity, it allows users to safely lift vehicles for tire changes, oil maintenance, cleaning, and other repair tasks. The height-adjustable center stand uses an easy-to-operate crank system for smooth lifting and lowering, while its compact yet rugged design makes it a practical addition to garages and workshops. Finished in a bold red color, this lift combines functionality, durability, and convenience for motorcycle enthusiasts and mechanics alike. Number 4. IMAYCC Car Jack. The IMAYCC Car Jack Kit 2.5-ton is a practical and portable tire-changing solution designed for cars, SUVs, and MPVs. Featuring a durable universal scissor jack with a 2.5-ton lifting capacity, this kit provides reliable support for roadside emergencies, tire replacements, and routine vehicle maintenance. Built for convenience, it includes essential tools to help users quickly and efficiently change tires when needed. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store in a vehicle trunk without taking up much space, while the sturdy construction ensures dependable performance and stability during lifting tasks. Ideal for emergency preparedness and everyday use, the IMAYCC Car Jack Kit offers a simple and reliable solution for vehicle owners. Number 5. VEVOR Hydraulic Lift Jack. The VEVOR Hydraulic Motorcycle Lift Jack is a heavy-duty and portable lifting solution designed for motorcycle, ATV, UTV, and power sports maintenance. With an impressive 1,500 pounds weight capacity, this hydraulic scissor lift jack provides strong and stable support for repairs, tire changes, cleaning, and routine servicing. Its hydraulic foot-operated system allows for effortless lifting and lowering, reducing manual strain while improving convenience and efficiency. Equipped with a durable lift table and 4 smooth rolling wheels, the jack offers enhanced mobility around garages or workshops. Built with sturdy construction for long-lasting durability, the VEVOR Motorcycle Lift Jack is an excellent choice for mechanics and enthusiasts seeking reliable performance and ease of use.